The gay woman who is juicy, glowy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated and unbothered, divinely protected by my ancestors. I am rushing to Manchester Airport. I need to pick my baby girl up quickly. Her plane lands at 9:55. I need to get to Manchester Piccadilly. I don't even know why I did not get the bus. I need to get to Manchester Piccadilly train station and get the train to Manchester Airport to pick her up. And then I have to shape up my hair at the barber's because I have an event to attend tonight as well, and she's going to be my plus one. Are you checking this in your currency?
Times 4.
9.25. Do you have cash?
Well, you made the experience already.
It's about to rain. I've picked Favor up. That's her. And we want to go and change some money so she can have some money.
Because I've gone broke.
There's a post office here. We're going to go in there to change the money. Okay. And then I will go to the barber's to cut my hair. I've had a shave up, so my hair is good. The sun is out again, so I've just left Favor because she's going to check into her hotel at 3, and the event that I'm going for is at 6 o'clock. So I'm walking home because I don't want to take her home and then come back with her again. I have to get ready, so I'm just going to go shower, iron my clothes and do all the things I need to get ready for the event. We walked around. She got rice and plantain from Rita's Rain and bought some drinks from Poundland. So she's there at the lobby waiting for them to check her in for later. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. If you have watched up until here, let us know what you think in the comment section. Listen to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered. The podcast is released every Tuesday. You can listen to the podcast on every podcast platform that you listen to your podcast on. Subscribe to the African Gay Igbo vlog channel. Have a wonderful time. Manchester. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.